back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my lobster tails. Now here I have one lobster tail just so I can give you a demo of how I open it. Now I bought these at Wegmans and they already had a cut along the back. So I did cut it a little further closer to the tail, but they were cut here already. So let me show you guys. So what I usually do first is I just crack from the under. So I put my nails under and I crack it. That way it opens a lot quicker. Next, I put a finger under just to loosen it up. And I push down. See, the meat's starting to come off. I find that's the easiest way for me. And I just pull it through. And here it is. So I am going to wash it off, as you can see here. And I'll be right back with the others. So guys, we're going to be starting on our lobster and seasoning our lobster. So I have 4 lobster tails. In here I have Cajun seasoning, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper. Here I have melted butter. And here of course is my green seasoning. And let's get into seasoning our lobster. This lobster is going to be juicy. We are making no dry food over here. So first thing I'm going to do is to pour that green seasoning into that melted butter. And next I'm going to pour that melted butter and green seasoning into here. And we're going to mix this all together. Y'all see how beautiful this looks? And now we're gonna start brushing this all over that lobster. Don't forget to brush the underside as well. So I'm gonna brush all over, and then we're gonna come and do the underside. Okay guys, so it is all seasoned and into the oven it goes. I did season the underside, and the oven is at 375 degrees. It's gonna be in the oven not for too long, like 10 to 15 minutes, because lobster does not take too long to cook. So see you guys in a few. And my lobster is all done, guys. I did go ahead and garnish with some fresh parsley and the rest of the butter sauce from earlier. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to watch the ads, like, subscribe, share if you like my content. And do continue to have a good day on purpose. See you guys tuned in to my next video. Bye.